Hi Clarinets, welcome back. On today's video, we're going to do Accent Book 2, page number 5. We're coming to the end of our Accent on Review section, but let's review today's review items. So in the upper left-hand corner, we've got some notes to review. And these notes are the notes that are called the notes over the break, meaning they're in the upper register on our clarinet. They begin with the note B, which uses all of our fingers and both of our pinkies and our thumb on the register key on the back. This B I refer to as 2 pinky B, and the fingering diagram is right below the note on today's page. If we lift up our left pinky, we have our next note, C. If we lift up our right pinky, we have the next note, D. If we lift up our bottom finger, that's E. If we lift up the next finger, it's F. And if we lift off our only finger on our right hand, it's the note G. 3 fingers on the left hand. We need that key in the back. That register key is important. Our final note is E flat. And you can tell by the fingering guide that it's 2 fingers with your left hand, your thumb, and then our right hand, our index finger, is on this lowest side key. 2 and side E flat. We've got a syncopation pattern on the left-hand side, more syncopation. 8th, quarter, 8th. That's a very common pattern. We'll use it below. Key signature with 2 flats is B flat and E flat, and the key signature is B flat major. Time signature C. That stands for common time. C common time, 4/4. In the red box is da capo al fine and dal segno al fine. They both mean that at some point we have to go back to into the piece a little bit, but at different points, and we'll play to where it says fine or finish. The tempo marking we need to review is largo. It means really slow. And then crescendo and decrescendo mean to gradually get louder and gradually get softer. Our first song is called All Through the Night, and it's number 12. It starts in 4/4 common time with a B flat. So we'll remember B flat and 4/4 time. We'll also repeat the first 4 measures like we did on Deck the Halls, because there's a repeat sign at the end of measure 4. At the end of the song is a DC al fine. DC al fine will tell us once we get to the end, we still have to go back to the beginning one more time and play 4 measures. I've got my metronome set at 70 beats per minute, and our first note is F from the box right above at the top of the page. Finger that high F, here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Repeat. Go on. Beginning, go. Now, you may need to pause our video and practice all through the night on your own. Use a metronome for a solid, steady beat and take it slow. Remember, your fingering guide is right at the top of the page, and that will help you finger those notes. Also, make sure you've got a firm embouchure and you're using good air. Number 13 is our duet. It's Old Dan Tucker. Again, we're going to start from the beginning, and we're going to play to the end of the line this time, where it says DS al fine. DS al fine says go back to the sign in measure 3 and play until you read the word fine, which is really just an end of measure 4. So we're going to be adding 2 measures to our song. I'll start by playing part A. You can join me, or you can play part B for an instant duet. In this one, we need to use our F sharps and our B naturals. Finger that first note B natural with your 2 pinkies and your thumb on the back for the register key. 1 and 3, 4, 1, 2, ready and go. How'd you do? Part B, here we go. 1, 2, ready, B. I found that the hardest part about part B was remembering the F sharp. If that's the same for you, take a pencil and mark it so you'll never forget it's F sharp. Number 14 is the Erie Canal, and it's an American folk song. It's got B flat and E flat in the key signature. So remember to play your low B flat, 3 fingers on top, first finger on bottom, and then remember to play your E flat. Well, we don't have an E flat. But if we did, we would play it like our fingering guide says to at the top of the page, to and side. Let's play the Erie Canal. 1, 2, and ready, set, play. Our final piece is America the Beautiful, and it also has the B flat and E flat like the Erie Canal, but this time we do get to play our E flats, and it's in the 3rd full measure. It's the first note, E flat. So to start this one off, I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. After that 3 is where we play our F pickup note. America the Beautiful. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And there you have it. Now, you may feel that you need more practice on this one. You may not be as successful as you think you should be, and that's okay. Take some time and practice this one. Go slowly. Go measure by measure. And then, when you've finished, come back and replay this video and play that one again with me. You'll prove to yourself that you've made progress, and you'll be proud you did. So until I see you again next time, keep practicing.